Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you all know, Meta Llama 3 is available right now in both 8 billion parameters and 70 billion parameters. And through this, you will be able to solve various use cases like text generation, question and answering, and many more things. Now, to get started, how you can probably run this entire application or how you can actually use this particular model. In this particular video, I'm going to focus on that. There are two different ways that I'm actually going to show you. One is through Ollama and one is through Huggingface. Kaggle one is also there with respect to that particular access, but I did not get the access right now. So let's go ahead and complete this two. That is one with Huggingface and the other one definitely with Ollama. So first of all, I will go ahead and click on get started in this. So in this, you will be able to see three options, right? Meta Llama 3 is there, Meta Llama Guard 2 is there, Meta Code Llama 70 billion is there. But I will just get the model from these three platforms. Meta AI is not available right now in India. So we'll go ahead and click on Hugging Face. Okay. So once you probably go ahead and click on Hugging Face, so here you will be finding a link which is called as Meta Llama. So this is where you can probably see all the models there. Meta Llama 3, Meta Llama 2 family, everything is over here. Now, let's say that I want to use this specific 8 billion parameter. So what I have to do, go to this particular page and there will be one form to actually fill it out. So you just need to fill out and just submit it. Then after submitting it, you will be granted the access to this particular model. So this is the first step that you really need to do in order to work with this particular model itself, right? So this is the first thing that you definitely require. Okay. Unless and until you don't get this access, you won't be able to work with Hugging Face. Okay. The other thing is that through the Kaggle itself. So if you probably go ahead and see Kaggle, right? And with respect to this particular Kaggle, if you go and see this particular URL, so here also it will be probably asking you to so here you can see all the overviews, all the models, everything you'll be able to see. But still I have not got the access. If you probably see Llama 3 over here, right? So I have still not got the access. It is taking some time, but over here you'll be able to see that, okay, fine. Once you probably get the access, you can select 8 billion parameters and create a new notebook. And based on that particular notebook, you can start writing your own code. Since Kaggle also provides you Jupyter notebook, GPU, so you can specifically work with that. Okay, so here are some of the inputs. See, some of the codes are there and you can probably execute it. But as I said, I've got the access of Hugging Face. So let me show you. And after this, I'll be showing you with respect to Ollama. So here is one notebook file that I've actually created with the Hugging Face. So I've installed Transformer, Hugging Face and Torch. And here you'll be able to see that I'll also go ahead and install Accelerate. Okay. So Accelerate is also basically required. Once I probably go ahead and take Accelerate, then I will be requiring a Hugging Face token or Hugging Face API token, so that I will be able to use with both Hugging Face pipeline and Hugging Face hub itself, right? So that is the reason I'm just making sure that I use both the token. And this is the code, right? This is the code. Here you can see import transformer. I'll be giving the model ID, that is meta-llama, Meta Llama 3 8B. And then I can use transformers.pipeline, where I say that, hey, I really need to use this particular model for text generation. And then the model will be equal to the model ID, and the model arguments is nothing but torch t type, torch float 16. That is the kind of quantization that I'm doing, and device map is nothing but auto. And as soon as I probably execute it, hey, how are you doing today? So here you can probably see, hey, how are you doing today? I'm doing well. I'm a little bit tired. Okay. So it will take some amount of time to probably load this. You can probably see chunk by chunk, it will try to load it. And here you'll be able to see all this text generation law. If you want to try more things apart from text generation, so what you can probably go ahead and search. So let's say I will go ahead and search Hugging Face text generation. Okay, text generation. So if you probably go ahead and see this or text generation, I'll just write Hugging Face pipeline. Okay, and in pipeline also you have multiple things, right? So if I go ahead and click on pipeline, within the pipeline you have multiple steps that you can probably do. Okay, so if you go down over here, see, you have transformer pipeline, all the tasks that you can actually do, all these tasks you can do: audio classification, automatic speech classification. I had tried out already. Question answering I have actually done, summarization I have actually done. So it is absolutely working good. And here also you could probably see with respect to the text generation. So text generation is another one technique over here. somewhere it should be available. See, text classification, text generation. So you can probably check out this specific pipeline and get all the info, and that is how we specifically work with Hugging Face. Okay, so you can probably give all the things and automatically you'll be able to generate it. Okay, so this and obviously one thing that you really need to note, that Meta Llama model is Llama 3 is not a multi-model. It is a LLM model. So anything that is related to text, you will be able to do it. Okay. Anyhow, I'll be sharing this particular Jupyter notebook in the description of this particular video. And again, other pipelines that you want to verify, you can actually verify. Now, the other thing is that obviously, if I go ahead and search Meta Llama 3 GGUF, okay, GGUF model. So if you go ahead and see this, now you'll also be able to find in this Hugging Face, right? So you'll be able to find a quantized model also. You can probably research for that, or I'll try to create another dedicated video for that. I just wanted to probably convey that information. But let's go ahead and see with respect to the command prompt, which I probably tried with Ollama. Obviously, one problem that we definitely find out that this Meta Llama 3 is a huge model itself, 8 billion parameters, and obviously we really need to do quantization and all. So Ollama provides you this specific feature where you can actually perform quantization. So here all you need to write is Ollama run Llama 3, and here you can see that it is downloading all the entire model over here initially. And whenever I ask any question, hello, it's nice to meet you, is there something I can help you with, or would you like to chat? I asked, who are you? I'm Llama, an AI assistant, developed my Meta AI, this, I was trained. Now we'll go ahead and see some of the demo with respect to Llama 3. So here I will just say, write me a Python code to swap or to perform binary search. Okay, binary search. So here you can see I have probably been able to get this, and it looks amazing. Everything is probably provided over here, and understand that token size is quite huge, 50 trillion tokens. 15 trillion tokens data set that it is probably trained with, you know. So tell me a poem on generative AI where to a 5-year kid. So I'm just asking some question, a random question. So here you can see quickly I'm able to get it. Now, if you are able to access with the help of Ollama, then definitely you'll also be able to create end-to-end projects. For that, you can obviously see my LangChain playlist. If I probably show you the code, what I feel is that you just need to write the model name as Llama 3, and I think everything will be working. It can be an end-to-end project, it can be anything as such, but you need to install Ollama over there, right? So I think these are the two ways that I've probably got the access of. One is Hugging Face and all. So Hugging Face, I've already told you, we need to install transformers, Hugging Face Hub, Torch and all, accelerate, and then we can probably call this particular model, use our pipeline with some task or some tasks like text generation or Q&A, whatever I want. And with respect to that particular pipeline, whenever I ask any question, I'll be able to get the response. So in short, it is probably generating the text. Again, we can also change the settings and generate more text if you want over here itself in the pipeline section where we have that token size also. So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. All the materials will be given in the description of this particular video. Yes, this was it. Bye-bye. Have a great day.